my highest A1C before starting Mastering Diabetes was 7.7. Now it is 5.2. Before I started Mastering Diabetes, I was at 212. Now, after 3.5 months, I weigh 183. And so that's over 25 pounds of weight loss in 3 months. And it wouldn't have been possible without changing my diet through Mastering Diabetes. A buddy of mine who I worked with a few years ago, he and his wife were on the Mastering Diabetes program. By recommending the book, it really reframed my whole perspective of what diabetes was and the whole concept of insulin resistance, where I'm really fighting the insulin resistance and not the blood sugars itself, because that was the after effect. And in just reading the first couple of chapters, because I like the science part of it, reading it, seeing that it was backed by, well-researched studies and so forth, it said, you're going to start this slow and you're only going to do one meal a day. And so I did. And all of a sudden I started seeing the weight loss start to happen naturally. And when I started the program, my A1C was at 7.2. I then ended up getting into the full course and full coaching for 6 months. With that first 6 weeks of the menu planning, I was able to follow that pretty tightly with the help of my wife. She was very supportive in terms of the cooking of things and so forth. But in looking at just the food choices, it was something that kind of scared me, because I was told that it was going to be plant-based whole foods and kind of thinking it was going to be all vegan. And I was not prepared to go all vegan at that point. After the first 4 weeks, I found that my A1C had dropped to 6.4, which just shocked me. My energy has fully increased because I'm getting the right foods into my body, which I never had before. I was looking for things that were easy. I was really concerned that I was not going to like the food, and that has not been the case. I've always liked fruits, but with the medical recommendations of, keeping your carb count down and fruits being loaded with carbs. Well, now I'm doing the bowls where I've got 3 cups of fruit in the morning. Love strawberries, bananas. I'm on a pear and apple kick right now that I'm just eating them whole. And that has been a game changer for me because that's the sweet that I've craved. So whether it's a berry salad over spinach with some balsamic vinegar in the morning with flax seeds on top, I'm getting my necessary food groups and protein and so forth, but also enjoying the taste. So about 30 years ago, I got on a program where I was counting calories, and it was a solid program. I lost some weight on it. The problem was I just couldn't count the calories, and because I was a scout leader and was coaching sports and so forth, timing was a real challenge. And so fast food got back into my diet quickly. And so that was not sustainable for me. I never dreamed I could be at 6.4 for my A1C simply because I hadn't been there. I don't know that I'd ever gotten a reading that low. And so that's what said, okay, this works for me. The low fat approach was the thing that I needed to then say, what is it that's keep making this magical? And that's where the insulin resistance was really the big game changer for me. I realized that this was doable, and the Mastering Diabetes approach is sustainable. So my highest A1C before starting Mastering Diabetes was 7.7. Now it is 5.2. And that's literally with only 3.5 months of working the Mastering Diabetes program. Before I started Mastering Diabetes, I was at 212. Now, after 3.5 months, I weigh 183. I would fluctuate between the 140s and the low 150s for my blood glucose. And it slowly came down, and I was consistently in the 120s and low 130s, after about a month of doing the program. I was put on the highest dosage of Mounjaro you could possibly have after going on Ozempic. And for 8 weeks, I had stomach problems, which I never had with any other diabetes medication. And I'm officially off of Mounjaro now. Now that I'm feeling like I'm getting into the habit with the Mastering Diabetes program, I'm able to do exercise regularly and really enjoy it. I'm also really happy with the diet and the plans because I've now learned to be able to try new foods and be willing to try it, knowing that maybe it starts as an experiment, but I find that there are some things that I really like. And so now that becomes a routine within my nourishment program. The butternut squash was something I wouldn't do because it took too much time to prep. Well, now I enjoy prepping it and I enjoy the taste of it. And when you use that as part of the broad range of vegetables that are out there, that to me is something wonderful because I can feel the goodness, each and every day of being a whole lot lighter, but knowing that I'm a whole lot fitter than I've have been at any point in the last 30 years. For me, because meal planning was always a challenge for my household, it's now easy to plan the meals because we've got the full menus. You're eating similar foods for a week. That way you're not wasting a lot of food. And those were things that were really helpful because otherwise I was kind of out on a limb trying to figure it out on my own. And this gave me having that structure has been very, very helpful. Here's what I would tell people who may be afraid to try something different. Give it a shot. There's lots of foods that are really good that I was unwilling to try. And because I got the mindset to be willing to try new and different things, a whole new world has opened up to me in a good way, simply because I was, taking down my defenses that I put up, nobody else did. My biggest gift that I've gotten from the program is that I know that I am getting healthy. And I'm certainly a whole lot healthier than I was before. And so all my lab work is great, but I'm enjoying life a whole lot more because I am healthy, because I can do things that I haven't been able to do in the last 15 years physically because of this.